Hi there, students. To tempt, the verb. Temptation, the noun. Tempting, the adjective. So to tempt is to try to get somebody to do something that's wrong, especially if there is a reward for doing that bad thing. Trying to incite or provoke them to do what they shouldn't do by offering some sort of benefit from bad behaviour. So to entice or to attract somebody to do wrong, to lure, to seduce, if you like. Although I think seduce is more sex. I think seduce is tempt with sex. I was tempted to steal the money as nobody was looking. The money tempted me. Very often we use this verb to tempt in the passive. We have a person is tempted to do something. I was tempted to punch him for what he said. So to entice or to try to persuade somebody to do something that they know is wrong or unwise. Now we can use this verb tempt or the adjective tempting more generally just to mean something that's attractive, something that's alluring, something that looks good. The offer was very tempting, but I refused it. There were good characteristics to it. I was tempted to eat another piece of cake, but I was already full. Can I tempt you into buying this if I reduce the price? So you could tempt somebody to do something, or you could tempt somebody into doing something. Now you can also use tempt, meaning to risk provoking, to risk angering, particularly in the phrase to tempt fate. You've been successful twice in a row. This is very risky. Don't tempt fate. Don't risk the anger of fate, fate saying, no, you're not going to win this time. Diving from a very high cliff into the sea is tempting the anger of the gods. It's tempting fate. It's challenging the world and hoping that nothing goes wrong. Yeah. So if you tempt fate, you are risking that something will go wrong. So, to tempt, to entice, to allure somebody into doing something bad, especially with a reward. To tempt, to attract, this is very tempting. And then risk provoking. Don't tempt me, stop now. Yeah, you risk provoking me. Okay, notice, to tempt is a regular verb. He tempted the boy. The boy has been tempted. Regular verb. And next question, formality. It's neutral. You can use to tempt, temptation, tempting in an informal conversation or in something very formal. So it's very flexible. Oh, I almost forgot the famous Oscar Wilde quote. I can resist everything except temptation. So I can't resist anything. Now, what about the origin of this verb to tempt or tempting? It comes from Latin. There's a Latin verb temptare, to feel or to try. And that's where it comes from. So I hope the quality of this video has tempted you to hit that like button. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. tempt, temptation, tempting.